Welcome, Mr. Diessbacher from Frimo Group GmbH Germany. My name is Gudrun Böhler. I work at Actify in the marketing department. I'm very proud to introduce to you our long-standing customer Frimo today. Again, welcome Lorenz to our customer use case interview today. The Frimo Group looks back on more than 50 years of history as a supplier, mainly to the automotive industry, including many awards from exclusive and very well-known automotive brands. I don't want to anticipate any further, but I would like to give you, Lorenz, the opportunity to give to our audience of the C3 Summit a first-hand insight into the Frimo Group. Could you please let us know a little bit about Frimo? Where are you located? Do you have locations in other countries? Of course you have, I know that. And what is your business, what you build, and whatever information you feel the audience should know.
Yes, thank you very much for the welcome. The Frimo Group has 4 competence centers in Germany and several manufacturing centers worldwide. We are a full-range supplier for all plastic manufacturing solutions. Mechanical and plant engineering is a particular focus here, from tool engineering to the entire production planning.
Frimo supplies mainly automotive companies at this time. We know that these companies use very know-how intensive CAD systems like Creo, CATIA and so on, and will certainly send you their CAD data for further processing. What is the technology like at Frimo? What sort of systems do you use, such as CAD systems, maybe also ERP systems, how you manage all this bunch of different data?
Yeah, on the one hand, it's often data that has to meet high security requirements.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, there are mostly large surface formats in all common native CAD formats and exchange formats. In the ERP environment, we use SAP. SAP is a strategic product for us. And on the side of the engineering at Frimo, we mainly work with CATIA from Dassault in our design areas.
Mm-hmm. You use Actify Centro for easy converting your CAD data and SpinFire, our CAD viewer, for nearly 20 years, a long time. How do these software programs play effectively together with your existing software environment that you have mentioned earlier? What is the benefit of the usage of both programs, Centro and SpinFire?
In almost all areas outside of the engineering, our colleagues use SpinFire and Centro. It's available to analyze customer data and visualize our own developments. The sales engineer using SpinFire, much as a service technique. All colleagues along the project cycle use SpinFire to visualize our developments.
Very interesting. I had a look on your homepage, and Frimo's mission is one Frimo, high tech and high passion. You say being an innovative partner in development means being proactive instead of reactive. Fast teamwork is a prerequisite for being successful for and with customers. And how does SpinFire help you with that strategy?
Viewing and evaluating CAD data should be not a privilege today for those who have a very expensive CAD surface license. There are always new levels of development set to be reacted to do. In the assembly department or in the technikum on the service side, we can obtain important information with SpinFire without disturbing the design engineer from their concentrated work. This speeds up the process overall.
Oh, this is very interesting to hear. So this is one Frimo then, the strategy that you have also mentioned on your homepage, one Frimo, one standard visualization platform, which also reduces the cost of high-end CAD systems. Can you share some examples of benefits Frimo has seen while using SpinFire as their visualization platform? You have already mentioned, yes, we were talking already about one Frimo, about digitalization. Could products be brought faster to market? Were costs being reduced? Can you share some examples of benefits?
Oh, it's a great bandwidth, but let me tell a small example. Our buyer want to inquire about a production port from various suppliers. Without disturbing the designer, he can use Centro to translate many native CAD formats into viewer formats, SpinFire, 3D PDF, or even step files. That means that the exchange between buyers and external manufacturers can take place directly with one another.
Yeah, this is good to hear. This is what we want to hear. Very, very good. I'm wondering, with all those big steps and processes Frimo has already made in the past, how will the future of your company look like?
For us, one Frimo also means global jet clear management of CAD data. We are currently working on that. Digitization is not an unclear term here. In this context, this means for us, digitization is archived with the visualization of CAD data.
Wow, very good statement. Now coming to my last question, Lorenz, what role will SpinFire and Centro play in that future strategy, in this process of one Frimo digitalization? Are there any plans to push enterprise visualization even more forward? I think yes, it should be.
Yeah, SpinFire on the desktop and Centro in the server room is an integral part of our IT strategy. For us, SpinFire is a tool for the entire breadth of our value chain. It's clear for us in the future and today.
Oh, I cannot think of a better note than this one to end with the interview. Thank you so much for your time, Lorenz, and all the experiences you have shared with us today. Again, thank you. Very appreciated. Have a good day.
You are very welcome. Thank you.